Meet the newest addition to Keune Semi Color Liquid Activator.
When you need a quick application time, Liquid Activator is your go-to.
Rich, shiny, tone-on-tone coloring, just like Semi Cream Developer, but now in a thinner liquid consistency.
Mixing ratio is 1 part Semi Color to 2 parts Liquid Activator. First, add 2 parts Liquid Activator to the bottle and then add your desired Semi Color. Lightly squeeze the bottle and place your finger over the nozzle and shake well.
Apply to clean, damp hair at the shampoo bowl or salon chair.
Process for 20 minutes, rinse and massage in After Color Balsam for 1 to 3 minutes.
Shampooing with After Color shampoo is optional with Semi Color. Faster applications means faster services without sacrificing results. With Semi Color, you can have it all.